In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Drive video on Google Sites. This is a straightforward process that will make your content more interactive and engaging. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless video integration on your site, allowing viewers to access your media content with ease. Let's start by heading over to your Google Drive. If you haven't already, ensure your video is uploaded and ready to go. Now locate the video you wish to embed, hover over it to reveal the various options available. When you click on the video, it should open up for viewing. Here, take a moment to ensure everything is in order, the quality, the content, before moving forward. Next, with the video open, you need to navigate to the Insert button. Usually this could be found near the top menu. Clicking Insert will prompt Google Drive to integrate with Google Sites, allowing you to place the video onto your page. It's a process designed to be as intuitive and user-friendly as possible, but should you encounter any hiccups, refreshing the page or double-checking your internet connection can help. Now it's time to focus on sharing your content. Hit the share button for the video. This step is crucial because it adjusts the permissions and privacy settings for your video. Here you'll decide who can view your content. Typically setting the permissions to anyone with the link can view ensures that your audience won't face restrictions when trying to watch your embedded media. This is particularly helpful for publicly accessible sites or when sharing with a broad audience. After setting the permissions, go over to Google Sites by navigating either directly from Google Drive or opening a new tab. Once you are on Google Sites, locate the page where you wish to embed the video. With the page open, find the editing tools. The Embed option is where you'll insert your media. Paste the sharing link from Google Drive into the pop-up. If prompted, you can customize how the video displays on your page, such as its size and positioning, making sure it fits well with your overall site design. Take a moment to preview how the video looks on your page. This stage is all about making sure everything appears as you intend. If satisfied, proceed to save or publish your changes on Google Sites. It's always good practice to view your site as a visitor would. Try accessing it from a mobile device or another browser to ensure cross-platform functionality. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've successfully embedded a Google Drive video on your Google Sites, enhancing its interactive experience. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you familiarize yourself with the interface, the smoother it will become. Thank you for watching, and happy embedding.